What's going on, all you droniacs out there? Just got done taking the drone out for a fly. We are at Ely's Peak right now, tallest point in Minnesota. It is about 1,300 feet. One cool thing about it is that there used to be a railroad track that went through the peak. Now it's just the Ely's Peak walking trail, so I got kind of cool shots of that. We are along the Superior hiking trail right now, which is a pretty long trail. We're at mile marker 140, but it stretches all the way from Duluth, a little southeast of Duluth, all the way up to the Canada border. So about 300 miles or so, 300, I think I looked, it was like 310 to be exact. But yeah, we got some pretty cool shots. Just beyond this little grass ridge here is some train tracks. So we did get some shots of two trains actually that came by. Unfortunately, both of them, there's the tracks down there if you can see. Unfortunately, both of them, I was on my last little bit of batteries, so got minimal shots of them. But anyway, yeah, got some pretty cool shots. I've been wanting to get out here for a while. Now I did. So yeah, there's Ely's Peak there in the background just beyond those trees. So yeah, like usual, you can check out my full video here in a couple days. I'll probably have it on maybe tomorrow, but yeah, check it out. Until then, you know what to do. Do all those things that us YouTubers like. Give us the big old thumbs up, comment, and of course subscribe to everything that I do. So anyway, I will talk to you later. Have a good one.